How to do toe touches to tone your belly muscles and reduce fat in 2 weeks. Toe touches are good for working your abdominal muscles and strengthen your core at the same time. What you need: a yoga mat, flexible workout wear. How to do toe touches. Begin by lying flat on your back with your arms extended behind your head and legs straight up, at 90 degrees with your hips. Engage your muscles by drawing your belly button towards the ground. Bring your hands up towards your feet, slowly lifting your head, shoulder blades, and torso off of the floor, reaching your hands towards your toes. Try to touch them if you can. Squeeze in tightly before extending your torso, lying back down with your arms above your head. And there you have it. Toe touches in just a matter of minutes. All that is left for you to do is repeat this 20 times. Links for more resources are available below this video. If you liked this video, remember to subscribe and share with friends.